Hey guys, Johnny Nerd out here. Got a cool new product. I'm really happy to have in stock now. This is from Lekkie. You know that they make a lot of cool chain rings that help offset your chain line. They started making a lot more tools, including these. And I'm really happy to be carrying these. These are the install tools. These are the lock ring. This is the inner lock ring tightening tool and the outer lock ring tightening tool. So a lot of people have been having issues properly torquing down their lock rings, and the double-ended wrench is kind of not ideal, let's just say. So these use a standard 3/8, and you can put a big breaker bar on this and really get some leverage on it and just tighten the hell out of this thing. I think it calls for like 55 to 65 Newton meters of torque. In my opinion, you cannot over tighten these things, especially the inner lock ring. The outer lock ring, yes, because it only needs like 25 Newton meters. So this is going to be huge. A lot of people are like, well, my motor spins, it comes loose. It's because it's not properly tightened down. I know some people are like, should I put a torque arm on it? In my opinion, you don't need one if it's properly torqued down, because that little triangle that fits on it bites into your frame, and if that thing is really pressed in there hard, it should not move. So these are going to be huge. They are kind of pricey though. These things they retail for 55 bucks a piece. So, you know, if you're just doing one, maybe it might not make sense for you unless you just really want to get it nailed the first time. But if you plan on doing a couple of them, this might be worth having. Another option is check out my tool rental program. You could rent these and all the other install tools for 30 bucks. So if you don't want to own everything, just check out my tool rental program, and you could rent these, or I even have the heavier duty version of these, which use a 1/2-inch socket, and those you could really tighten down. And I even use my impact on it. I'm really excited about these guys. There's been a long drought without having proper install tools, but Lekkie finally stepped up, gave us these. I'm really happy about it. So, cool. Take it easy, guys.